When it comes to action cameras, few names dominate the space as strongly as GoPro. Over the years, the brand has become synonymous with durability, creativity, and high-performance video capture in extreme conditions. From surfers riding massive waves to skydivers free-falling through the skies, GoPro cameras have always managed to deliver breathtaking perspectives that were once nearly impossible to record. Now, with whispers and hints surrounding the upcoming GoPro Max 2, enthusiasts and professionals alike are buzzing with one major question. Is GoPro about to bring 8K 60 video capability into the world of 360-degree action cameras? If true, this would represent a monumental leap forward, not just for GoPro but for the entire action and immersive video industry. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. To fully appreciate what this means, let's dive into the details, speculation, and possibilities surrounding the GoPro Max 2, and why the rumored 8K at 60 frames per second could completely change the way we capture and experience content. Before we jump into the future, it's important to look back at where the GoPro Max started. The original GoPro Max was launched in 2019 as a successor to the GoPro Fusion, and it offered something that no other GoPro had done so seamlessly before: 360-degree capture combined with GoPro's classic hero-style shooting modes. The Max wasn't just a 360 camera, it was a hybrid device that could act as both a traditional action camera and an immersive storytelling tool. It featured 5.6K resolution at 30 frames per second, which at the time was groundbreaking for a consumer 360 camera. The Max also introduced features like Max Hypersmooth Stabilization, Max Time Warp, and a simplified editing workflow through GoPro's app, making it far more user-friendly than the Fusion. For vloggers, travelers, and creative professionals, the Max became a beloved tool. However, in today's rapidly evolving content ecosystem, where 8K televisions, high-refresh VR headsets, and ultra-realistic immersive media are becoming mainstream, the Max's 5.6K 30 limitation has started to feel dated. This is where the rumors of the GoPro Max 2 and 8K 60 step in to reignite excitement. At first glance, some may question whether 8K is even necessary, given that most streaming platforms and devices are still catching up to 4K. However, for 360-degree video, resolution is everything. When capturing a full sphere around you, the footage has to be unwrapped and viewed on flat screens or VR headsets. This stretching process means that the effective resolution for any single part of the frame is significantly lower than the headline number. For instance, 5.6K in 360 video often looks closer to 1080p when viewed in a headset or zoomed in frame. Moving to 8K drastically increases clarity, especially for immersive experiences. And if GoPro truly achieves 8K at 60 frames per second, that would solve not only sharpness issues but also allow for buttery smooth motion, which is critical for VR viewing where lower frame rates can cause discomfort or motion sickness. This makes the jump from 5.6K 30 to 8K 60 not just an incremental improvement, it would be a revolution for immersive media. For action sports creators, it means clearer detail in fast-paced scenes. For filmmakers, it opens new opportunities for reframing and editing. And for everyday users, it ensures future-proof footage that will look sharp on next-generation displays and VR devices. Of course, achieving 8K 60 in a compact, waterproof, and rugged body